As our world progresses, so do its problems. Reckless use of technology, corruption caused by money and power, disregard for the planet and the 7 billion people who call it their home. These are only a few of the factors that negatively impact our lives every day, and creating substantial solutions can be difficult, especially when such solutions would require the support of people all over the world, people from different countries, backgrounds, and beliefs. Fortunately, an opportunity for this collaborative effort exists. The EuroLeague for Life Sciences. This is the only program that invites students from all over the world who are passionate about making a positive impact on the planet to come together to study and experience modern science on a truly international scale, to travel the world, learn, and experience a wide array of ideas from around the globe. The EuroLeague is comprised of 7 universities across Europe. The program's specializations range from organic farming to environmental science. Every student has a chance to study abroad, enroll in summer courses, and develop an international network. The participating universities comprise an unprecedented union for the purpose of enlightenment and true scientific progress. The world's problems can't be faced alone. Fortunately, thanks to ELS, we don't have to. Let's unite as one race, resolve our problems, not through conflict, but through collaboration. We are ELS.